Why should you invest in vegan stocks? The vegan industry has grown significantly over the years in both consumer numbers and revenue. Apart from having more alternatives to animal protein, an increasing number of people have realized the health implication of eating too many animal products, not to mention the environmental impact and ethical concerns of animal agriculture. If you are an investor who is looking for the best stocks to pick and you happen to be a vegan, then here's one vegan stock that you need to consider. Hello everyone, my name is Antonetta and welcome back to my channel, Lifestyle Tips by Antonetta. Don't forget to like this video and hit the subscribe button so you are always updated whenever new videos are up. So, let us begin. Today, we'll talk about investing in vegan stocks. Why invest in vegan stocks? First of all, I have been making significant changes in my lifestyle since 2018, and that includes living very healthy, drinking clean water and living healthy. So I know how this kind of lifestyle works. Reasons to go vegan. Slow climate change. Going vegan helps slow down climate change. When you eat fewer animal products, you are not only preserving the life of the animals, but also help preserve nature. Next, vegan food is now dominating fast food chains. You'll find a lot of restaurants that offer vegan food options. Aside from that, YouTube, Instagram and TikTok have become a heaven for vegans. Consumers' perspective about animal products is slowly changing thanks to the campaign launched by influencers through these channels. Additionally, you will now find vegan options in a supermarket, bakeries. Why invest in vegan stocks? I'm not financial expert, but I've learned that it's a smart move to invest in companies today that you think will grow and be big tomorrow. What is one type of business that fits this philosophy? Vegan stocks, of course, but you need to do your own diligence, to do your own research. People have been eating and obsessing about meat for the longest time, but many consumers are becoming more health conscious and now have a different view about meat consumption. A lot of people are not longer attracted to eating juicy burgers or going out for steak dinners. They have given up meat and have opted for a plant-forward diet. A lot of people these days believe that plant-based food will be big, is going to be the future of eating, as companies offering plant-based food products are becoming more popular, especially among young consumers. If you are looking to stocks to invest in, then vegan stocks should be on the top of your list. A report from Polaris market research analysts show how the plant-based meat market size has increased over the years and it's expected to continue rising until 2027. You'll also learn the reasons why people are eating less meat these days. These include overall health reasons, specific health concerns, preservatives, environmental effects, and animal treatment. The vegan movement in the stock market is strong. This sector has created a lot of interest over the years. You'll get some insight into how the dairy-free sector is doing. There is a lot of money flowing in this area. Companies in this area are gaining traction, and if you are thinking of investing in stocks and you are vegan yourself, you should consider choosing a vegan company like the Very Good Food Company. So I found the perfect company just for you, but this is only my opinion, and it's called the Very Good Food Company. So I'm recording the video on 29th of July, and I can tell you it costs $2.70, and it's, let's say, it's around $3. So I think it's a perfect company for investment now and wait in another 5-10 years to absolutely to get a good return in 5-10 years. According to the presentation, there are many reasons why the very good food company is performing well, which is why it should be on the top of your list of stocks to invest in, and I only can say consider to invest. The food offered by this company is not only healthy but very delicious. I haven't tried by myself because we live in UK, but I've been reading a lot about this company. Its revenue has increased dramatically year over year, and the production units sold have skyrocketed as well. It has experienced big growth in its orders and a massive increase in its production too. Their e-commerce orders and revenues have risen too. However, on the retail side, the company still has a long way to go. As you know, the retail space is extremely competitive and they need to push more if they want to stand out from their competition. So far, the company has been making a very good decisions. The stock may still be undervalued, but as they build more brand awareness, the price of their stock will increase. So, feel free to leave comments or suggestions down below. I would love to hear from you. If you loved this video or if you learn a lot from it, don't forget to click the like button and share this video with your friends and family. Hit subscribe button so you are updated whenever I post new videos on my channel. So, thank you for watching. Until next time, stay very, very motivated.